guys. Hi guys. We are seeing what we can make during the COVID times. Here is one of the examples. This is a gun for one of your monster trucks like this. And if it's light ones, you can make it as high as you want. But if it's heavy ones, you need to make it a bit shorter, like this. But now I'm going to show you the high one and the light one and the heavy one. So I first show you the light one, but not yet. Wait for a second. See, if you want to make this, you are supposed to have a chair like this. And if you don't have any mat, you can use cardboard or a long cardboard or yoga mat. So like one yoga mat here, but if it's coming down, that's okay. But you just need to roll it up here then, and you can put one more yoga mat, then you're done with your work. And see, this is the monster truck you can use. This is my light one. Now you can see how it flies. And even you could also you could use it like the ramp down. See? And now I'm going to show you how the heavy one works. See, you saw me pull it down. Now look. That's how it works. So you can try to make this at home, and you will have a lot of fun playing this with your auntie or your mommy or your daddy.